Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akaradaha bin Ruslan with my friend Muhammad Syafiq bin Muhammad Sharif, Adi Zulfikri bin Mazlan, Muhammad Akil Aiman bin Abdul Manap, Nurul Fatihah Akmal binti Muhammad Zain and Nur Fatini binti Abdul Razak will present our assignment for air distribution system. What is a space air distribution? Space air distribution is a process of transferring of HVAC system into a building or particular area inside the building to provide an optimum of human comfort, ventilation and temperature regulation. It involves control the circulation of air. The objective of space air distribution is to ensure that the conditioned air is get distributed equally and effectively across the building.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syafiq. So today I will present about the principle space of air distribution. There are few types of principle. First, air flow direction, which is air should be supplied from ceiling and return near the floor. Air flow direction help promote better mixing of air, prevent temperature stratification and ensure uniform condition throughout the space. Second is airflow velocity. Balancing the airflow velocity ensures optimal comfort and ventilation effectiveness. High velocity can cause discomfort and low velocity may result stagnant air. Third is air distribution pattern, which is different area may require different air distribution patterns. Air distribution pattern should be considered the specific space when design a system. Next is noise control, which is employing noise reducing technique can help mitigate noise issue, such as apply silencer to reduce noise. Lastly is air balancing, which is balancing airflow within a space to ensure that each area receives the required amount of conditioned air. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Adi Zulfikri bin Mazlan. I will proceed the presentation about the type of space air distribution devices. First, diffuser. Devices that distribute air into the space in a controlled manner. They are typically mounted on walls, floor, or ceiling and are designed to direct flow and promote air mixing. Second, slot diffuser. A long strip shape with one or more narrow openings depending on the number of bears. Grills. These devices consist of a frame and fixed or adjustable parallel bars. Fourth, register. An air register is the same as grill but with adjustable dampers in it. 5. Plenum ceiling. A suspending ceiling below the structure ceiling and also called dropping ceiling. The space between structure ceiling and drop ceiling is called plenum. It is used for equally air distribution in the room, but it is costly. Second last, fan coil unit. A compact air handling unit contains a fan, a cooling coil, and filter commonly used in small space. Last, ductwork consists of a network of channels or pipes that transport conditioned air from the air handling units to various spaces. That's all from me. Thank you.
Air mover and fan technology. System characteristic. One important characteristic in air movers and fan technology is the airflow capacity or airflow volume. The amount of air that a particular fan or air mover can move within a given time frame. The airflow capacity is typically measured in cubic feet per minute or cubic meter per hour. Also, it determines the effective of the device in circulating and ventilating air in a given space. A larger space or area with higher heat loads may require fan with higher airflow capacity to ensure efficient or circulation and cooling. And last, the airflow capacity of an air mover or fan influenced by factors such as the size and design of the blades, motor power of the device. Second, operating condition. First, airflow requirement. pressure consideration, temperature and humidity, environment factors, noise levels, power supply and electrical requirement, and last maintenance and service. Also here we are provide the formula of fan law. That's all. Thank you.
For the question 1. What is the definition of space air distribution? Space air distribution is the process of transferring of HVAC system into a building or particular area inside the building. Question number 2. List 7 types of space air distribution device. Diffuser, register, slot diffuser, grills, plenum ceiling, fan coil unit, and ductwork.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Kemal bin Abdul Manap. My matrix number is B0920104000. Question number 2 is from System Characteristic and Mover Fan Technology. The question is, in air mover fan technology, what are the 3 primary system characteristics that determine the performance and efficiency of a fan system? And the answer is 1. Pressure drop, 2. Airflow rate, and 3. Efficiency.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fatini Binti Abdul Razak. My matrix number is B0920101007. For this presentation, I will explain about the questions for air mover and fan technology. So the questions are given as: a fan is operating at a speed of 1000 revolutions per minute and delivering an airflow of 800 cubic feet per minute. If the fan speed is increased to 1200 RPM while maintaining the same fan geometry, what would be the new airflow in CFM according to the fan law? So, first we need to know the fan law formula that related to these questions, which is RPM1 over RPM2 equals to CFM1 over CFM2. We use this fan law formula because the given value from the question is RPM1 equals to 1000, CFM1 equals to 800, and RPM2 equals to 1200. So we want to determine the CFM2 value in this question. So from the formula that we already know, we can substitute all the value from the questions, which is 1000 over 1200 equals to 800 over CFM2. So the CFM2 we can get by from the value 800 divides by 1000 over 1200. So the value that we obtain for the CFM2 in these questions are 960 CFM.